Hi everybody, it's Sheila with Baby Moon Boutique Embroidery Designs, and today I want to show you how you can add lettering to the freebie designs that I just uploaded into the Baby Moon Boutique Embroidery Designs Friends and Fans group on Facebook. So you can go to that group, request to join, and I'll get you in, and you can go to the file section and you'll see a zip file from Dropbox that you can download a set of 3 tags in various formats. There's a rectangle, a circle, and an octagon. When you unzip them, you'll unzip them into a file in your computer, and so here are the different designs. So I want to show you how you can use these designs and you can add lettering to them. And we all like to have a personalized gift for somebody, and these are perfect to add your lettering to. So let me show you the steps that you will take to add these designs. So the first thing I have open is the BBED Rectangle Tag. And I'm going to show in the objects window the steps that this tag will run out in. I'm using InBrilliance software, and I'm going to show you how you can use the free version of InBrilliance Express to add your own lettering. So the tag's going to stitch out first a placement stitch, then it will run a frame around the inside, and then the last piece it will run it's exactly the same as the placement stitch, but it is the final outline. So what we're going to do is we're going to add lettering, and we're going to go up to the lettering place, and we're going to add our lettering. Now, InBrilliance Express comes with this awesome block font, and so let's just play with this for a minute. I'm going to come over here to the property section. I'm going to highlight the ABCs, which is the default lettering, and I'm going to type in my name. And then I'm going to click Set, and my name comes up in the block lettering. Now I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to spin it around so it's at a 45-degree angle too, so that it will fit in my tag. How cute is that? Now, one thing that you can do, you can play with it a little bit to get it adjusted just right. You can change the color by clicking on the brand of thread that you use. I use Isocord for most of my designs. And I'm going to say, let's see, what color am I going to make it? I'm going to make it my favorite color, which is red. And let's go find a nice red. Let's use geranium today. Okay, so there's my name in the InBrilliance default block font in this rectangle tag. So what you do now is you save this as, you're going to save your stitch file, and I'm going to save it in a new folder. I'm going to put it back in the rectangle file. Let's see, it's a rectangle file, and I'm going to call it Sheila, and click Save. So that will save, and it'll be ready for me to sew out of my embroidery machine. Now, when you're using your embroidery machine, you'll notice that it has 2 steps. It has the design, and then it has the lettering separately. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to advance on your machine, or so that you can sew up the designs before the letters before it sews that final outline. But that's very easy to do. If you need help with figuring that out on your machine, send me a message or post in our group, and we'll be able to help you do that. Let's look at the circle tag and see what you could do with that one. Okay, here's the blank circle tag. This would be so fun to add a mini design or a felty to. Let's go find, there's another freebie in the Baby Moon Boutique Embroidery Designs. There are some Mardi Gras felties that I uploaded yesterday. So let's merge the stitch file to this design, and we will turn this into we'll turn a felty design into a tag. Now we're waiting for it to find everything. Let's see. My circle is still going. We're waiting. We're waiting. Okay, let's find one of these Mardi Gras felties, which would be really fun. And let's open that folder. See, those are not unzipped yet. What am I going to do? Let's just grab the DS2 version and see if it'll import it for us. Okay, so here's our Mardi Gras felty. Now this design, you can see, is a little bit big. So we're going to shrink it down a little bit. And you're going to see that Embrilliance actually will change. Embrilliance Essentials will actually change the stitches from the original stitches. It will take out stitches so that this design is not too dense. So now we have a cute design with a felty of adjuster mask that we've merged with our circle tag. So that's a cute way to do something. Let's take that off and let me show you how you can add lettering to this design. Now we can go back up here to our lettering tool and we can add, we've got the choice of the block font like we did on the rectangle tag. But let's try another font that I have in BX format. I have lots of fonts to choose from. So let's try a fun, let's try a fun monogram style tag. No, let's do a plain letter. I love this font right here. Now I'm going to pick a 1.5 inch size letter. And I'm going to put the letter S in. There's my letter S. Let's bring it down to in the shape. Now we can see that it's a little too big. And then let's shrink it down just a bit until it's just right. Perfect. That is a lovely tag. So you could make a bunch of those with a lot of different letters for your friends. You could use these as luggage tags and they would be a great way to set your luggage apart as it's coming down the line. Okay, let's try the Octagon tag. Again, you would save this file and then send it to your embroidery machine, however you do that. Okay, here's the Octagon tag. Now this is something I thought would be fun. I have preschoolers, and preschoolers are learning all about the world. So let's change the letters on this tag to say stop. Here we go, stop. Now I know my little guy would just think this is a lot of fun. I'm going to place the letter stop in here. He likes telling people what to do also. So now if I sew this out on red, he'll have his very own. Let's change the color of those letters so that it will make sense for him. Let's go back and find a white. Okay. Sew this out on red. He'll have his very own stop sign tag. How fun is that? I hope that you can create some beautiful designs for your family and your friends with these blanks. If you do, please let me know by posting in the Baby Moon Boutique Embroidery Designs Friends and Fans group. To get to that group, you can just search at BBED on Facebook in the Facebook search bar and it'll pop right up. I hope to see you over there and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks.